All right. You guys have too much fun with those.
He tries to hit me so bad. Hey, that way!
Oh, he wouldn't let you live it down that one day.
No, he loves me.
Come on, Stanky Frankie, let's go. Man, is this from you? Burning rubber and stuff? Jeez.
Maybe? No, that's why
Ready?
I am really exhausted.
I noticed, jeez.
I don't know why.
Remember if I turn my camera on, I gotta check. I bet you I did, and I'm being redundant again.
What?
Yep, I did. Turned my camera on. I couldn't remember if I turned it on. I'm getting old.
China clear.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, it's broke. It's okay.
The door got stuck. When you go too fast, it's just like the F-15. Whipping it, whipping it, whipping it, whipping it, whipping it. Okay, Todd's coming. Okay, I'll be over us. Stay above human height. Todd's right there.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right. Okay, Todd's close to us, so don't come too low. Go higher.
What? What happened?
They're heckling each other.
Oh. You bastard. Hey!
Okay. That close enough?
That was close.
I feel it, so I know we were.
Touch and goes?
Sure.
Gear down, landing flap.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be further out.
Yep. I gotta dive to catch up, but I'll be there.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Whoa!
Flaps up, gear up.
Wind hit me at the last second, but
We flipped those at exactly the same time.
we held our line. You notice?
Yeah. Let's do that again.
Gear down, landing flaps.
Go further out. You can all come closer to us, cause even see the wind right
30
there.
seconds.
See, did it? Damn it! Did it to me too.
Flaps up, gear up.
Yeah,
Gear down.
it is. Oh, is it?
I can't tell.
Landing flaps 10.
Come, just do a
9,
low pass.
8.
One's not.
6.
What's up with the other one?
4.
One's jammed.
3, 2, 1. Flaps up. Time expired. Gear up.
Do a high G pull up, and I bet that other one will come down. Pull up and then hit your gear.
Nope.
Still no? Damn it. What is it doing? Just hanging up? I heard a pop. Now neither came down. What the hell? What the hell is it doing?
1 minute over. Temperature 90.
I gotta bring it in. Invert the strike and try to get it out? Yeah. And both of them refuse to come out. They're on their fucking break.
That's fine. It just slid, right? Okay. Okay.
Gear down. Landing.
All right, Frankie, I'm coming in.
Over.
You got one hanging up? Oh, okay. With this pack, yeah.
Flapped up.
This is a high C pack, so I don't keep flying.